Hi, welcome. I'm so glad you could be here. I'm Sasha Miller. I've been an online entrepreneur for over 9 years now, and in that time I've learned so much, and now I want to share my knowledge with you. In this course, you'll discover the most important basics of social media, such as the benefits of social media marketing and why a strategic approach is best, and some tips for audience engagement. We'll also cover social media marketing best practices, how to build trust fast, and what each of the top social media sites are best for so that you can choose the right ones for your business. This particular course will be more geared towards beginners, but if you watch every lecture and download the resources, I'm sure even you bloggers and marketers out there will find a few helpful tips along the way. If not, it's at least going to be a great refresher. Now, a bit more quickly than I'd like, Udemy is going to be asking you for a review. So when they ask you enjoyed, leave 5 stars. If not, hold off until the end so that you get the big picture and judge it based on the entire course. The reason being is I do my best to put as much actionable material and juicy content as I can up front, but let's be real, that's not always possible. There's theory and other work involved. So again, when they ask, 5 stars. If not, wait until the end and you're going to see the big picture, and that's really what this is all about. So with that being said, let's get started.